Have you got any other stuff for us?
Yeah, let's quickly do these.
Let's do these.
Let's do these. We've also had come into the shop the Sparmax airbrushes. So these are like a medium range airbrush. Medium. They're like medium tier.
So we'll say like we've got the Awadas
top tier
at the top.
Yeah. These medium tier.
Medium tier.
And then like really beginner AliExpress ones as your beginner. Cheap 30 to 60.
Yeah, but we don't really do those, do we? We've got like the I don't know. How do these compare to the 9 steps ones? Because I'm sure that the 9 steps ones are pretty good. These would be a little bit above, right?
These would be above. These would be above. Just the machine quality.
Yeah.
It's just.
And what's the price point like on these?
So these ones are like 120 to 140.
Yep.
I believe like for a medium range, you're looking anywhere from 100 to 150. So Iwata have the Neo, which is classified as like a medium tier as well, but then they go all the way up into like really professional fine details.
$700,000 units, don't they?
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
And you use the old Sparmax and 9 steps ones, you reckon?
And Iwata. I have 3.
And Iwata.
So I got this one. I've got the MAX-3.
I'm having a look at this one. Sorry, I've just jumped in.
Just jump in.
I like the case.
It's good, isn't it?
It's a handy little case.
So that's a 3.5mm nozzle.
3.5mm nozzle, and what is that? Like a 3mm cup?
Yeah, that would be only. It's a smaller cup.
But it's a nice little. Feels nice in the hand.
That's right. It's very nice.
It's well weighted, and straight out of the box, it's got a very smooth trigger.
It does. It does.
And airbrushes always, I think, in my mind, benefit from a quick rebuild before you even use them, right?
Just
I don't know about you, but I like to take the nozzle out, make sure it's sealed.
Yep.
Use a little bit of lip wax. Is it chapstick?
Chapstick.
Which one are you showing me there, mate?
MAX-3.
That's the MAX-3.
Yeah.
And it's got the bigger cup.
It does. It does.
2 men, 2 cups. So that's the 7mm cup.
Yeah.
And this is like the 3mm cup.
Yeah, that'd be right. And some of them come with interchangeable cups.
And that's a 0.3.
This is nozzle. A 0.3, yeah.
And this is 0.35.
I'm pretty sure, yeah.
Yeah, so this one here that I'm holding, that would be better for water-based acrylics, thicker pigments.
Thicker pigments, yeah.
Thicker pigments.
Or even just like spraying a wider spray, you know, covering more surface area, whatnot.
Ooh.
But these, because of the quality of machinery...
You should see me airbrush. I airbrush like a chimp. 50 PSI, full gas, just blast it. Just take the needle. I do this. I just take the.
I'm surprised you don't move backwards in your chair.
I just take the needle out of it.
You do this?
Yeah.
I do this sometimes. When I'm cleaning it, you go.
When you're cleaning it, take the needle out. Nobody can see what you're doing.
You know, and it all
sounds
just
like
comes
a steam
out.
train.
Like this one.
I went on a steam train that sounded like that once.
Did you? Maybe it was me with my airbrush.
Puffin Belly could have been. There you go.
Belgrade.
So these are the Sparmax range.
Yes.
Is that what you're saying?
They are. Very nice airbrushes.
So we've got the, what are they called? The SP-35.
Yep, SP-35 and the MAX-3.
Do yourself a favor.
Do yourself a favor. Honestly, if you're a beginner to intermediate, these have amazing machine quality, great parts, affordable, spray really well if you look after them.
There you go.
There you go.